What's the matter? Seeing things?
Welcome back everyone, it is Amelia. I hope you are fine. Welcome to Dairy proved to be a brilliant addition to the Stephen King franchise, especially when it introduced the Pennywise time travel twist towards its final moments. After watching the HBO show's season 1 and final Pennywise reveal, it is hard not to be hyped about what its future seasons will bring to the table. From its opening episode itself, Welcome to Dairy did not shy away from leaving viewers terrified by killing off nearly all of its initially introduced young characters. The show only became more and more compelling as it dived deep into Pennywise's origins and history. It even rewrote many aspects of the original Stephen King book, which is now one of the biggest reasons why its season 2 is so exciting. Welcome to Dairy's Pennywise time travel twist makes its season 2 very exciting. Welcome to Dairy's ending arc reveals that Pennywise has the ability to perceive time non-linearly. While the humans in the show's universe are limited by their linear perception of time, Pennywise knows the Losers Club will end up killing him in the future, which is why he travels to the past to flip his fate. This intriguing twist not only rewrites the original Stephen King book's lore but also paves the way for the HBO show to adopt several high-concept sci-fi ideas. Similar to Netflix's Dark, Welcome to Dairy could capture how the characters in the series are stuck in an endless circular loop where they must fight and defeat Pennywise in every generation. Since Pennywise can always jump further back in time and attempt to save himself, he is basically immortal, while the human characters are forever doomed. From season 1 itself, Welcome to Dairy has not shied away from being brutal with its visuals and adopting mature themes. Since its established audience largely includes adults, it has the opportunity to introduce more high-concept ideas in season 2 and enhance the existing lore in a fascinating new direction. While only time will tell whether the show will leverage its time travel story developments and turn into something more layered, it already has done enough to raise a lot of hype for its next installment. Every update about Welcome to Dairy Season 2 explain the news surrounding it. Welcome to Dairy Season 2 has surprisingly been a mixed bag despite Season 1's commercial and critical success. As of now, HBO has not officially confirmed its return. However, the show's creators have been vocal about having a 3-season story plan. Reports Wire There have also suggested that the show's Season 2 might already be in the works. HBO's CEO, Casey Bloys, even assured via Deadline that the show is not in limbo at all and that the network is 100% on board. With so many positive statements surrounding its return, it seems like that Welcome to Dairy Season 2 will eventually see the light of day. Hopefully, it will return soon and deliver another enthralling expansion of Stephen King's original Pennywise lore. Give me some ideas related to my video in comments below if you like this video and subs for more upcoming videos.